Hello, it's Ben with the DIY Homefront, and I've got a project I want to work on, and I haven't started it yet because it looks like it could rain. And I don't know if you can see over my shoulders, the skies look dark, but it's been that way for about the last 2 hours, so I am going to get started on this project anyway. But you probably didn't need to know that. All you need to know is we've got some metal yard art, and it's going to look better. So let's get to it. Well, here we go. This is going to be our project today. And we have got this really cool metal sculpture of 3 herons. But in reality, I started this project a couple of days ago. When I was pressure washing the pavers, I went ahead and pressure washed these 3 herons. They've been standing watching our backyard for the last couple of years and had a lot of mold, mildew, and algae built up on them. And I thought I'd pressure wash all that off of them along with any loose paint and get them primed and ready so we can make them look new again. So I'm just going to set the camera up and we'll get to work. Well, I went ahead and got all the paints that I thought we're going to need, and that's going to include black and green, brown, blue, white, and yellow. Let's see if we can't make our birds look fabulous. I think about the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a wire wheel and a brush. And I'll go over this whole sculpture and knock any of the debris that might have been left after I pressure washed it off so we got a great painting surface. Well, here I am at normal speed, and here I am 5 times as fast. Well, a lot of my projects I'm building or fixing something, but this is much more of an artistic kind of a project. So I think I'm just going to let the video go and I'll pop in and out to say a few things. But if you want to watch it, watch it. And if you want to just go to the end to see how it turned out, go to the end. There really wasn't that much that came off of this. The pressure washer did a really good job. I started with a spray primer made for metal. Murphy's Law, as soon as you want to paint, it starts to rain. Well, a quick check of the internet, and I've seen a few pictures to give me an idea of what the colors should be. Well, that's one complete can of white paint, and now it's time to get the brown out and try to see if we can't give these birds some legs. Now I'll spray some black paint into this bowl and use a brush and dry brush on some details. Dry brushing is a technique where you rub the brush across the surface and only partially paint it, revealing the detail of the object you're trying to paint. Well, that finishes up the legs. Let's see what we can do with this blue. And I'm not bothering to clean out the brush or the bowl. I'm just going to let this light blue and black sort of mix together and form a unique color. Well, it looks like the rain has finally stopped and the sun is almost trying to come out. Once again, I'm choosing a different color, but I'm not bothering to clean anything out. I'm just letting everything mix together and create its own unique color. Well, I finally got to the point where I wanted to clean out the bowl and the paintbrush, but since these were oil-based paints, I needed to use paint thinner. Well, before I paint their beaks yellow, I wanted to paint the insides of the mouth black and highlight the bird's feathers with black. Well, there you have it, guys. I think the eyes are probably a little too big, but to be yard art, I think it turned out really well. I didn't truly want to make it look like a bird, but you get any kind of distance on it and they really look pretty good, don't they? Not bad at all. Well, there you go. I had a lot of fun with my artistic side on the home front on this rainy afternoon. I hope it brings you some joy too. Well, until next time, like, subscribe, check out my playlist, and I'll see you in that next video.